let's solve this question together. It says square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of x is equal to 2. Okay, so how do we solve this? First thing we do is to raise both sides to the power of 2. Now, this power will take the big square root out, so we are left with 2 times square root of 2 times square root of x to be equal to 2 squared, which is 4. From here, you can see that this 2 can take 4. So what's left here is 2. Then we have square root of 2 times square root of x. Okay? Again, we can square both sides to eliminate this big square root so that we have 2 times square root of x to be equal to 4. Now, dividing both sides by 2, we'll have what's left here to be root x, and then we have what's left here to be 2. Again, if we square both sides, we will have this side raised to the power of 2 and this side raised to the power of 2. 2 squared is 4, root of x squared is x. So that we have finally that x is equal to 4. Thanks for watching.